there, Leo here, and if you're here, it's probably because you're looking for ways to advertise on Facebook. Okay, and well, what's Facebook advertising? It's basically where you, as a business owner, can pay Facebook to put your ad in front of people according to the targetings that you place. All right, but before I get started, if you don't know me, my name is Leo, and I have a company here in the Bay Area. It's called digitaltrack.co. I live in the Solano County area. Right now, I'm at home. I'm a father of four boys. I'm an Army veteran, and so I'm a real person. Okay, my company is small, right? We just basically been working with small local businesses here in the Solano County area and Contra Costa County area. And if that's basically what you're looking for, somebody that you can actually talk to locally to help you and guide you a little more about advertising on Facebook and other platforms, I'll be more than happy to do so. You can reach me at 707-410-0307. If you go to my website, digitaltrack.co, there's no M at the end. You can see my email, info@digitaltrack.co. You can also see links to my social media in case you want to check out a little bit more about my life, right? Just to say that you can see I'm real. Right, so going back to advertising on Facebook. So Facebook, as I mentioned before, it's a platform where you can see videos and pictures of your friends and family and people that are connected to you by going to your timeline. But also this has so many more features, right? You can see local events. There's has a marketplace. There's business pages, groups. But you can pay Facebook to put your advertising, your promotion, your offer in front of people according to targeting. Now, how you do this? There's on your computer you can go to what is called Business Ads Manager, and it's all free to set up. Or you can go to Ads Manager. You can, if you have a business page, there's a button that will say Boost. You can do that as well, but there's not a lot of options and features available. So normally it's very limited on what you can do there. My recommendation again is go to Business Ads Manager, set up an account, and build your advertising from there. All right, and then with Facebook, you have what is called, you build a campaign based on objectives you want to do. You can, under the campaigns, you have to build ad sets where you actually determine the budget for your ad, the schedule where you want the ads to run, the targeting, meaning who you want to put your ads in front of, and some other optimizations, right? You want to pay per impressions, per click, per video views, etc. And then under the ad sets, you build your the ad itself. You can have as many ads running under an ad set as you want because of many reasons. Perhaps you want to test different images, you want to test different texts, right? Or with the same image, you want to test different headlines. With the same image, you want to run advertising on video, you want to run one for image, etc. So many different reasons why you want to have multiple ads under a specific ad set, okay? So that's basically the process of how it goes. Now, how do you get charged? You can get charged based on impressions per 1,000 impressions, right? Depending on how good your ad is. You go anywhere from $10 to $15 to 20 to 50 per 1,000 impressions, okay? You can also pay by clicks, right? When somebody clicks on your ad, you can determine the value. You can let Facebook determine the value, or you can pay by video views, right? How many people watches? Now I saw something recently is 10 seconds. Maybe they increase it to 10 seconds. It used to be 3 second video view. Okay, 3 seconds is nothing. So if they did 10 seconds, much better. All right. But that's basically how you get charged. Now, if you want to get more information, I don't want to so many more features on Facebook. I don't want to keep it too long. You can definitely check out the links below to see more about my other video YouTubes, and follow me on Facebook and YouTube to the continued trainings that I release in reference to advertising on different platforms online. Or you can just schedule a call, see how Facebook could work for your business. I'd be more than happy to meet. If you're local, we can meet in person. Tech over the phone, right? Just go ahead and again text me or call me 707-410-0307. Put the links, click the links below. Go to my website www.digitaltrack.co. Schedule a call. especially if you want to know more about how local businesses been using here to get great success with advertising on Facebook and other platforms. Um, there's a section in my website. It's called Schedule a Call in case you prefer to schedule a call. The links to my social media are there in case you would like to know more about me. Make sure that I'm a real person before you get to contact me. So, yeah, be more than happy to do that, to talk to you. Have a good one. Bye.